Okay guys, so from the last video, you saw the car running and it wasn't really running right. We were getting a code that said it was not communicating with the PCM or ECU probably. So went to trials today, got a different ECU, so hopefully I can eliminate that. And then also trial gave me to use a new or a different O2 sensor, so I'm going to plug that in and see if it runs better, see what codes we get. So yeah. Okay guys, so I put the other ECU in. Now we are going to start it up, probably reverse it so the exhaust is out the back. Then reverse it so the exhaust is out the back, and then we're gonna see if we get the same codes. I don't know where I'm gonna set you guys. Should probably put the GoPro in here. I don't know, but like that. Yeah, we'll just leave you guys right there. Huh? Seatbelt. Are coming up. I might have to drive it first, but we'll see. Seems like it's idling different. Maybe it's because it's just warming up. I don't know. Wow. It says there's 0 codes, which is weird. That is crazy. So when mine, I'm gonna have to drive it, because when mine is hooked up and it's even started right away, I get 2 codes right away. That's really weird. So I still have no codes on the thing, so wow. I'm gonna have to drive it, see if those codes come back up. So looks like we're going for a little ride again. Okay, shut the hood, had to open the gate, still no codes, crazy. I was still no codes. Whoa, that is crazy. I need alignment so bad. There's so much pollen in here, it's crazy, but the car is running way better. My cluster is still not hooked up because we tried that other cluster. I need to plug this one back in. So yeah, I'm gonna go back, plug the cluster in. That cluster, if that works, because the ECU, maybe that was the problem. But yeah, totally running different, that's for sure. still have no codes. Wow. Alright, back in here. Still no codes. Crazy. Alright, I'm gonna plug in the cluster and see how it works. Let's just, I was gonna turn you guys out, but I think I'll just take you with me. So crazy right now. I can't believe it was that ECU, so wow, that is crazy. Set you guys up here. There you guys go. You guys see? Can you see? I think you guys can see. Hi, Poppy. Here he comes. Here comes your good boy. Here comes that good boy. Here he comes. Alright, so what I was talking about, last time the cluster wasn't working. I unplugged it from the back to plug in the extra cluster we had just to make sure it wasn't that. But now that I figured out that it was the ECU, it ran so good. It hasn't ran that good ever, and I still have no codes after that drive. I'm gonna plug this cluster back in and to see if all the gauges work and everything. So I'm gonna do that, then I'll turn you guys back on. Okay guys, so yeah, I plugged this, I should have just done a video, but I plugged this extra one we have in, and yeah, it's still, the gauge cluster is still not working, so I have no way of reading the temperature of the engine, so I really can't drive it around that much, but it needs alignment really bad anyways. But yeah, so that new ECU totally fixed the problem, and the O2 sensor. You know, driving it, no codes now. Before I got codes right away, and now no codes. Drove amazing. I think I might take it for one more drive just to see if codes pop up. It was so weird. I don't think they're going to, but yeah, amazing. I'm so stoked that that new ECU fixed pretty much all my problems. Now I just have to focus on why the cluster is not getting any power, or no, it is not working. Because when I hook my reader up, it's reading that it has RPMs. It's just the cluster is not having miles per hour, RPMs, fuel, or temperature. But the headlight switch, or the headlight high beam light comes on. There's a battery light too that comes on. So yeah, that's where I'm at now. Got to try to figure that out. So yeah, gonna dink around a little bit more, and then I'll talk to you guys in a little bit.